Hey, our buddy Jason Callan just passed 5,093 subs. Can you believe it?
Can't believe it. That's awesome.
Awesome? That is awesome. Here's a video.
Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here to review Ocean Wave popcorn shrimp bakes in 10 minutes. I got these at Dollar Tree. It is $1, so this is what you get. It said bake in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes, and that's what I did. And I got some dipping sauce, cocktail sauce from Long John Silver's to have with it. Let's go ahead and try it out. First by itself. Okay. A lot of juice flied out of that. Definitely juicy. You got some breading on there, but you do have a decent piece of shrimp in there for probably just the small ones. Let's try it with the cocktail sauce. Now I'm pleasantly surprised by this stuff. There might be a little too much breading though. I think it's too much breading, but not bad for $1. Let's see how big the shrimp is though. Shrimp is this big compared to all the breading, but it does taste good. But too much breading. So I have to deduct on that. I give the Ocean Waves popcorn shrimp a 6.5 out of 10. It tastes okay, but there's just way too much breading in it. I have to take off for it. But for $1, it's not the worst thing in the world. But I mean, it's just too much breading. If it had less breading and more shrimp, it would have been a lot higher. Because it does taste, the shrimp does taste very good in this. And it is juicy. So there you have it for my review of Ocean Wave popcorn shrimp. So until next time, everybody, please take care of my Legion. Don't. It look like it.
I know what you're saying. This ain't Burt Girl. But check out Jason Callan's channel anyway.
Yeah, woo woo woo.
Wrong guy.
Just for you.
Just stop it.
Okay.
Jason Callan, your YouTube channel kicks ass. Everyone should go and subscribe to Jason freaking Callan, the hot sauce king pin of them all. Yeah.